Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have two requirements. First one is GenQ and next one is Capgemini. Let's discuss the details regarding GenQ and then we will discuss about Capgemini. So first one is GenQ. GenQ released a notification for 2020 and 2021 graduates. Job location is Hyderabad. They specially mentioned branches who are eligible to apply, especially CS, IT, ECE and EEE and mechanical. Only these branch people only eligible to apply for this notification. You should have above 65% or equal to 65% in all your academics. One advantage for this company is they mentioned the job role. The job role is test engineer, and if we clear all the rounds what they will conduct, then you will be deployed into the role of test engineer. And one more thing what they mentioned is you should not have no standing backlogs, then only you are eligible to apply. So coming to package, they didn't mention package. And one more thing is coming to how the hiring process will be. First round is online test, which consists of aptitude and C programming. The duration of these is 1.5 hours, and next 15 minutes will be provided for essay writing. Topic will be general. And next one is technical round 1 and also technical round 2. If we clear technical round 1, if we clear online test, then you are eligible to technical round 1. If we clear technical round 1, then you are eligible to technical round 2. Like that, 3 technical rounds will be there. If we clear all these rounds, then you are eligible to apply HR round. So after, if we clear HR, then they will send a mail on for onboarding process. So for more details, please go through the link which is provided in the description. And if you are okay with all the details, then you can apply. So next company is Capgemini. So Capgemini released a notification for 2022 BE, BTech or MCA. All branches are applicable. Coming to mechanical, not mechanical, coming to MTech, who are having MTech degree, they are only eligible to apply IT, IS and CS. Only these branches are eligible to apply. If we have BE, BTech or MCA, your all branches are eligible. And one more thing is we should have 60% and above 60% in all our academics. For this, last date to apply is 15th December. And one more thing what they mentioned is we should not have educational gap. They clearly mentioned in the notification, so please be aware of it. And one more thing, coming to hiring process, same. First they will conduct the written exam, then technical, then HR, after onboarding mail. So coming to technical round, not technical, coming to online exam, first round will be, the exam will consist of four rounds or 4 levels. First duration is for pseudocodes, next one is English MCQs, next one is game based apti, and next one is behavior. So if you clear all these, then you are eligible to technical round and then HR. So for more details, please go through the links which are provided in the description. So apply link and details link both are same. You check once, and if you are okay, then apply. So kind request, please subscribe and share as much as you can. It will be helpful for others who are trying for the job. Thank you so much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.